Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zharfan Aflah Tamawiguna. I'm from 12 MIPA 8. In this video, I will explain to you the process of acid rain. So, what is the definition of acid rain? Acid rain is a rain that has an acid level below 5.6 pH. However, acid rain naturally have a pH of 6 or below than that because of the carbon dioxide gas in the air that dissolves with rainwater has the form of a weak acid. This is a natural phenomenon of acid rain occurs because of sulfur in the atmosphere, which is a gas produced from burning fossil materials on Earth. Not only burning fossil, it can happen because of the burning vehicle and the smoke from a factory and etc. And the process of acid rain. What is the process of acid rain? Acid rain can happen because of the majority of sulfur oxide gas. Sulfur oxide gas is a gas that comes from a smoke is produced from a factory. And there is also nitrogen gas is produced from burning motorcycle, car, and the others vehicle fuel. And after the process, all of the gas is collected into one, which then will react with water vapor in the air. Now, from the reaction process, produce sulfuric acid, produce nitrate and also nitrate, which condense to form of clouds. So the sulfuric acid, nitrate and nitrate is collected into one, and then they are make a cloud. And then finally the clouds will make a rain that we call it acid rain. So thank you for your attention. Bye.